everybody, and welcome to our channel, Southern Bells. I'm Wanda.
And I'm Rebecca.
And we are here today with Fashom.
Yay!
Not exactly an unboxing because we videoed our unboxing of Fashom and it is somewhere in video land.
Yes, I think I accidentally deleted the wrong file when I was trying to clear out enough files to download the video, so that's all on me. But yes, we unfortunately don't have that full video
And
left.
you know, sometimes things just happen. I mean, she knows a lot more than I would ever know about it. But I did want to show you what I ended up keeping. Even though I've had to send the others back and everything, I wanted to show you what I ended up keeping. And I did end up keeping 3 items. Here is actually, I don't know if you can tell much about it, but here are the pictures of the items that were sent to me. So I had 4 tops and a pair of pants.
They did all look very good on her.
And when I requested, I asked for them to send me items that went along with, I don't know if analyzed is the word or not, but my coloring back when I was in college, so a really long time ago, and I was coded as being a summer. And since then, back then it was just summer, fall, winter, or spring, but now I think you have a cool summer and a bright summer. So I don't know which of those I am. I just know that I'm a summer.
I'm a cool summer.
Cool summer?
That's what you told me.
I think so. Cool or bright. You might be bright summer. I don't know. But that's what I asked for. And my stylist is Malls, and she does such a great job of styling me. This is my 3rd box. And I've kept something from every box, so I've been really pleased with that. So I'll just show you what I got. Love this. This is a floral blouse, very lightweight, so this has been perfect. And I'll admit, the 3 items that I've kept, I have worn multiple times already.
She has.
Really enjoy those. So this is just, it's almost like a, I don't know what you call it. It's not really a peasant top, but it does have the covered buttons at the front, 2 covered button closure, little keyhole there. We have the sleeves that are banded and also have that button detail. And I just think it's just a pretty lightweight blouse. And one thing, I don't know if you'll be able to pick up on it from the video, but it's almost like a dot type where the cream is. It's almost like a dot design as well. I don't know that you can see it, and I didn't notice it until I actually had it on. Kind of see what I mean?
Oh yes, in the fabric, the way the fabric is made.
So
very intricate.
Okay, and then my next, and you know, if you know me, you know I love navy. I have a lot of navy, but I really like this. This is kind of a baseball tee type. Oh, I'm sorry. This was Skies Are Blue. Yeah, this is a Skies Are Blue, and it was $38. And this is a Chris and Carol, and like I said, it's kind of a baseball tee. Isn't that what you call it? That style?
I think so.
It's navy, and then it has the contrasting sleeves and neckline, and I love, look at those colors. That is so pretty, the paisley print. The colors are beautiful. I love those colors. It's a little bit longer. It's rounded on the bottom. It is such a good weight for right now because right now, this week, it's been a little bit cool in the mornings, but as you get up to the afternoon, it's warmed up quite a bit. And this is just a perfect weight. So, and I think it's dressy enough. I've worn it to work. You know, I teach school at night to adults, and it's dressy enough for that.
Definitely.
And then the pants, and I love these pants so much.
Cute pants.
They are. They're Margaret M, and they're a stretchy material. They're just a pull-on. They're also a navy, but they have a little black design in there as well. We have the kick pleat. And it's just so easy for me to grab for these because they match a lot that I have in my closet, and that's what you want when you get a subscription box. You want pieces that you know you just go pull.
Right. You want things that you have things to wear with.
So those are the 3 pieces that I kept, and the pants were $59, I believe. Yeah, $59, and it says they're in a midnight blue, and they are a medium. And the Chris and Carol baseball type shirt. It's Chris and Carol floral printed waist length top in navy was $35. So with that, 35, I'm gonna have to add it up in my head real quick. 73. Wait a minute. It's not as easy when you're on the spot here. 73.
I couldn't even do it with the calculator. So
13, 26, 32. It was about $99 for the 3 pieces after my 25% discount. So that made it about $33 an item, but one of those was a pair of pants, and this is a very nice pair of pants.
Nice.
So I'm gonna go slip into these very, very quickly and do just a very brief try on. And I didn't want to let it go because Miles did such a great job on styling this, and I do want to give a shout out to Fashom. If you have not tried Fashom, it is a styling service. The styling fee is $15. But you get your first 2 boxes styled free. I'll leave a link down below, and actually if you use that link, you will get $10 towards a purchase, and in return, I'll also get $10 towards a purchase. But they're a little more affordable than maybe Stitch Fix or Natalie Attired, or those types, and I've enjoyed them. I think the
personalization is really good. They do a really good job with giving you exactly what you asked for. That first box, maybe not as much because they're still learning you, but after the first box, everything has been like dead on what she wanted and requested.
Definitely so. And when you request, you go on there. It's not monthly. You get it when you request it. So you do have to go on their website and request, and you can leave a note for your stylist, and when they look and see what you would like, then within 2 to 3 days, they'll send you a preview with 7 items in it. And then from those 7 items, you choose the 5 that you like the best to be sent to you. And as I said before, when you get those 5 items, if you can find 3, which I'm sure most of the time you'll be able to find 3 that you really like, then you get a 25% discount. So I think it is a great deal. I've been really happy with Fashom, and I hope to continue. Oh, and for every box, excuse me, I'm picking this up. For every box, they also donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue NYC Dogs. So it is a box that also has that contributes to a cause.
It helps our little furry friends.
That's exactly right. And we love our furry friends.
We sure do. Most of the time.
Yeah.
Right now, the cat's in trouble.
Yeah.
She's had a naughty few days.
She has been naughty the past few days. And it is free shipping both ways. They ship it to you. Anything you want to return, they send a mailer bag, and all you have to do is put what you don't want in there, seal it up, and pop it in your mailbox or take it to your post office. And now I will be right back with the try-on.
See you in a minute.
Here's my first top. This is the Chris and Carol. Such a comfortable top. I just paired it with white. I do sometimes wear it with some pink type pants, and I like that as well. And yeah, this is it. And as I said, I have worn it quite a few times already. I'll be back with the next one. Okay, so we had to change the room angle a little bit because of the way the sun was hitting, so it might look a little bit different. But these are the other 2 pieces that I kept from Fashom. The pants they're kind of, well, they're a little longer than ankle length, I guess. They're not cropped or anything. It's a good length. I like the length actually, and that little kick pleat is cute. They're kind of slimming, I think. Which is always a good thing for me. And they're very, very comfortable. Like I said, there's some stretch in there that makes them very comfortable. And then here is the blouse. I love this blouse. It's just cool, it's flowy, it's comfortable, and it's just very springy looking. So again, I have worn these pieces multiple times, and I did so want to share the Fashom box that I have, even though the other two pieces I've already sent back, and they were very nice pieces too, just not quite what I was looking for. To wrap up, I would like to say, if you haven't tried Fashom, just go check them out a little bit. You can go on the website, see what it's all about, and see if it's something that you're interested in. And Rebecca and I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. It's fun to meet all these people because, you know, you do carry on conversations with them and everything, so it's really nice. But if you do subscribe, also hit the notification bell and you will be notified every time that we put up a video. And we thank you so much for joining us and hope that you come back. Bye-bye.